Warning: the following video contains strong language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
Peanuts. These are peanuts.
Yes, it is.
In the garbage disposal. The most fibrous material known to man down the garbage disposal. Peanuts. I thought it smelled like green beans for a while. But, oh, I thought that was my light blinking. But these things are shooting out through the side of the garbage disposal somewhere. All over the floor, and it stinks, dude. Oh my god.
Smells terrible.
God dang.
I mean, got on my clothes. I gotta change my.
I mean it.
I can't go through the whole day like this.
It stinks like shit, dude. Oh. How long till she called us, man? I mean, don't use kitchen sink as I broke the garbage disposal and the water comes out on the floor. No shit. What in the hell? I mean, we'll be replacing this, no doubt. There's no reason. I mean, I don't know where the water's coming from, but I don't want to find out. But if we replace it with a new one and the water still comes out, at least it'll be clean. But it looks like it's coming out something like cracked or something.
Right there, that's where it came from. That's what's cracked.
Yeah, it's like right there.
Cause them green beans did it.
It smelled like green beans, but now it does smell kind of like peanuts. Don't it? It smells like rotted peanuts. Peanuts, not penis. Peanuts. God dang it. Oh, these people, man. They just think garbage disposal is a garbage disposal. If you give them anything bigger, their hand will go in there, or their head. Probably not a bad thing. Yeah, but look, I think it's dripping too. No. Look at all that plumber's putty that's squished out there. Somebody did a good job of installing it. Okay, guys. So we're back. My little guy that I'm training, or, well, not training. He's done one of these already before. It's just, I told him we're gonna need some pliers to get this spring clamp. We thought it was gonna be just a compression clamp, but it's not, and we didn't bring the tools for it, so here in a bit I'm gonna see. Flips it. Okay, he's got a flat head driver bit. Good boy, man. This guy already knows what he's doing, so I'm not gonna knock that at all, man. I mean, this thing stinks, guys. It's got peanuts in it. Somebody put peanuts down a garbage disposal, and God, they waited too long to call us. Too freaking long, man. Too freaking long. Whew. Oh, Jesus. Oh, here's a big old flathead screwdriver. Good old roof. Our new guy, I'm gonna ask him here in a bit when he comes back, do you mind being on video or your voice being recorded? He's probably gonna say no. And we'll replace this. I'm gonna go ahead and get started without him a little bit. Not too much to know there. Just take out some screws and stuff. Remove the drain line. Doggone it. And there's some flat heads down here. Be removed. Just use his bit set here to get that all removed. Right here, I don't know how good it is to, y'all can see. Dang, I want him to bring a light so y'all can see. I don't need the light, but y'all need the light. And that's, I'm gonna dirty up my phone here doing this, but it's for you guys. It's for you. There you go. So he's bringing the thing to get the spring clamp off, and then of course I'm gonna have to get it back on again. Her stuff's been leaking for quite a while right here. That's just nasty. A puddle of water is shooting out the sides of the seal right here, and it just, oh my god, this stinks. I'm sorry to be cussing, I mean like that, but man, this is gnarly. This was definitely just not. I mean, god dang, she's got Febreze here, you know. There, just so I can get some breathing Clorox too. Bathroom toilet bowl cleaner might be helpful too. This is so nasty because gloves don't really help when you're kneeling in this shit. You know, you gotta get at these awkward angles. I wish these garbage disposals just plugged in to an outlet. There's an outlet plug, but they didn't think about that when they made this crap. So we'll put our bolts over here that we're going to be reusing, and then this has yeah, I'm going to wait for him real quick to bring back some channel locks so I can squeeze this, get this compression fitting off. I can probably just do that now. I don't know. I don't want to pierce my gloves. Only pair I got right now. Oh, God. Well, actually, I lied. I got another pair right here. It's just soupy as you can get. .9 amps. And this is what, a Badger? I don't even know. Oh, maintenance warehouse disposal. Yeah, so let's go ahead and name that the Badger, because they're about the same. They don't do crap, guys. So when he's back, I'll continue the video here in just a second. Once we get those pliers, I forgot to bring them. Yeah, easier with the right. Oh, that thing was still full. Good thing you brought that towel. I was gonna tell you to bring a click light, but
Oh yeah.
I don't think you. God, dude, if this was smell-o-vision, what's it smell like?
What's that smell?
I just farted, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's burning my eyes.
I know.
Jesus, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. But they ain't helping none.
Oh my God. Do I have to
I
take
need
that
to
off?
keep this up, or I need to keep this up, or something. I don't. Here, you know what? It'll hook behind that sink, maybe.
Did that screws off?
Yeah, if this. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna stay up here. I mean, I don't care about the camera because it's waterproof. But No, just use your tool. Your no, yeah. Well, that or no, the other way, dude. The tool that you use for the thing takes that off too.
What?
The little thing that you stuck in the bottom.
Oh.
That's the same tool that you use to take that off.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If you can find it, I didn't.
What did I do with it?
Well, it's fine. I mean, you can do it with this. You just stick. You can stick this in there, like you had it, but just go the other way, like this. See? You can use that too.
Oh! Yo! Catch it!
That is it right there, baby.
Yeah.
Why do you wear gloves? Oh God!
Are you taping that?
Yeah. Oh God! Oh shit! This is good shit.
This is good. That's good.
This is gonna be a fucking funny ass video. Oh God, dude!
You get a lot of ratings with this.
Fuck gloves. God.
You get a lot of ratings with that. Yeah, that's it. You take them off. That's it.
No, that's cool.
Yeah.
It didn't go in my hands. It just went on my hands. It's
Good thing.
God, there's no amount of air freshener that can take care of this problem right now.
This is like duo.
Oh.
Oh man, that made it.
I bet her drain is clogged full of this shit too.
Woo. Ooh, man.
Oh, fucking hell.
You get top ratings for this.
This is, I don't know. Ratings just went up on YouTube, didn't it? God damn.
Let me handle this.
Oh. Well, yeah, you made a good call there, Mr. R. You,
I told us you need them more.
I know, right?
I should have got the other.
Oh, God, this is bad. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. What else are you gonna do, bro? No, I don't want to. It can be Phillips. Yeah, it's gotta be Phillips head.
You know Phillips head.
Oh God, dude. It's never gonna be the same again. You might want to put this in our deionizer chamber that we have, right? You know, that UV disinfectant chamber.
Yeah, I should say.
Oh God, dude, it's so nasty. Oh. This is the worst I've had yet. This is the worst, though. Oh God.
That thing poured out like water.
Oh man, I knew it was going to. I knew something was going to come out, but oh my God, I didn't know peanut shells and God knows what else. Probably celery and who God. Dude, so bad. Oh. Dude, I'm trying not to skin this. Oh, it's the stupid brown thing. I forgot about that. Oh, wow. Wow, dude. This has to be the worst.
Yeah, it's first level.
Right here. Usually, you know, they're drained down or whatever, or if they're not, you can never put acid down these things, by the way. YouTube people that are watching too, don't do that shit. It'll eat the fucking cells in these and they'll be done. I don't even know what to do with this.
I have a bucket here. I've always rinsed my bucket out.
God, it's like somebody in first class puked all over me.
The box wouldn't be no good for this. We're ready now.
God, dog it.
You sure you don't want another pill?
So, putting it in a bucket. Okay. Just to let you guys know. And we're gonna put biohazard and nuclear waste stickers on that bitch later. But till then, where's the new one at? Oh God. Or should we just clean up this mess and then
You want to take that outside?
start over? I don't know. Well, I mean,
Well, it's fine.
at this point, what the fuck? We're just crawling in the shit. It looks like gravel, man. Like there's.
That's probably.
What is that?
That's probably cat litter.
Cat litter?
You think it is? You got a cat.
She better not be putting cat litter down here. That's
What the
clay.
heck?
That's bentonite clay. You don't.
One person put cat litter down.
Oh well, I'll tear their ass up. I'll show them what cat litter's for. Oh.
We go get another towel. We got another towel in the shop.
No, I mean this. Well, good God. I don't even know. I say let's just put the new one in, clean up, get out. Man, she's got Clorox sprays all over here. We'll spray her down, disinfect.
Did you have a cleaning lady come out here?
We can have them. Yeah, we can have. Oh, wow. Shit. Yeah, just give me the new one. I'm just gonna flip it over because I think her drain might actually be clogged too. I'm just gonna flip this over like this. And we'll clean up afterwards, and then yeah, just give me the new one. I don't care. At this point, that's got to be the stupidest shit I've ever seen. Peanuts.
You put other things before you put the other wires in first before you put that?
Yeah. The new guy's already knowing what's going on. By the way, guys. Flip side. Yeah, my record for one of these is 7 minutes, but this is not the fucking way this happened. It's like, okay, old one's leaking, okay, new one goes in. But holy shit. God, that smell, dude. Peanuts smell so fucking good when they're fresh. But man, dude, it's like potatoes, man. Potatoes are some of the worst smelling foul things on this planet. When you piss them off, a week later, they're sitting in your cupboard. You open your cupboard and look, oh!
Yep.
Damn, I knew I should have had mashed potatoes last week. Know what I mean? Oh, crap. You kind of really don't want to be trying to dig down in here because the motor coils are right under this. And if you poke through that cardboard, you'll score the little enamel coated wiring on the coil, and it'll spark, and it'll just you'll have to do it all over again to get the ground wire in there. Well, that's where you need pliers again. Yeah, you gotta pull that. Man, my hands are so dirty, dude. Dad, seriously. For some reason, they left us just enough to get a hook on there. There it goes. God, that stinks. I'm gonna smell this the entire fucking day. Jeff, why don't you take lunch? I don't know. Because I'm working on disgusting shit all day. So bad. Yeah. I got it. I got it gripped on there. Yeah, it's on there. Okay. Shit. Whew. Woo. This is the worst by far. Dude, in 10 years I've been working here. Well, 5 years as maintenance. The worst I've ever replaced. I think Terry and Clay's got the worst one.
Oh, yeah.
When a woman put a whole turkey down there.
Mm.
It's holiday weekend, so everybody's into the Christmas spirit and Thanksgiving and all that. So, yeah, I think there was a good old 4-day weekend or something like that, and she, ooh boy.
Well, she was trying to get rid of the turkey.
Mm-hmm. She put the whole damn turkey carcass down the garbage disposal. I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding. And Terry and Clay got a hold of that one. I was like, thank God it wasn't me. I'll be gagging my ass off, dude. I mean, this is bad, but it's not like gagging me. But I can't take rotten turkey, chicken, especially chicken. There's something about chicken, dude, when you don't dispose of that shit right. Oh my God. Like, you take it out to your trash can. Me and my roommate, we messed up one day. And we took this turkey, not turkey, but some chicken that we had. I need a smaller, I think I used that thing anyway, yeah.
Adjustable.
I'm just fucking your toes up, bro. You're gonna have to wash these in bleach, man. But anyway, we took some chicken that we had left over or whatever. It was in the, I was like, dude, I told my roommate, I said, what you need to do is freeze it until trash day. If it's bad, just freeze it. Oh, yeah. Well, he ended up throwing that shit out. Man, oh my God, every time I went out to my car, I almost threw up.
With maggots and everything out there?
Man, there's flies, maggots, you name it. Like freaking animals I've never seen before spawning out of that shit. I'm like, dude, this is... You do that again, I'm gonna put that shit in the fucking front seat of your car. And he drives a a Nissan Titan. So that's a $50,000 truck. So I was like, I'll put that shit in your front seat. Boy, I don't think I won't. I'm like, There we go. Just put that bitch back on there. Oh God, now I gotta do this again. I would recommend you taking a shower with your tools tonight. Or not doing that. That takes the longest time to put these in. Have you noticed that? If it was just a plug that you stuck in a GFI somewhere, and of course we'd be out here doing GFIs all the damn time. Alright, so we got the plug knocked out, right? Alright, so we'll just move that out of the way. There we go. Whew. And just take your screwdriver. Usually you just use that tool that you had just a while ago to do this.
You in your office? No, I'm just walking the AL apartments right now. I'll be there in a little while. What do you need?
I need some fucking axe.
For some reason, would maintenance have delivered a computer up to a south wing door? Yeah, South 304. It was at the front desk. They thought it was mine. So Doris looked, and it was for South 304.
Ugh, so nasty.
Oh, because they went into her apartment without her knowing, and now she's very concerned. I will let them know that I've gotten to the bottom of it. Yeah, let us know that maintenance has the master key and that we can get in, if there's an emergency. Yep, I'll go up and let her know right now.
Gosh. Thanks for the editing time I needed to do now. Fucking personal information over the goddamn radio. Here's something that I don't see every damn day.
What?
Is the freaking seal usually looks a little different. like caps onto it. The other one don't. See, it's got an inner and an outer.
Mm-hmm.
This seal has inner and outer seal, so I might just be using this one. Because I tell you right now, it's gonna leak if I put it together.
Mm-hmm.
With that seal. That's just a plain rubber seal. Shit to look out for, I guess. Wow, okay. I did not know that. That's probably why most of these leak. 'Cause I don't think there's anything wrong with the seal.
No. This road there. Oh, it's close.
There we go. Yeah, that definitely. Let's see, I hope. Make sure everything's lined up. Oh, it's so nasty. Motherfucker. Oh, it's so nasty, dude.
Let me give it a breather. You almost got everything together.
Almost. This is supposed to be the easy part. It's kind of hard to do when you can't breathe. Or you don't want to breathe. Alright, ready, tidy, let's go. Oh, god damn it.
That's been interesting. Pretty much we should put on that.
My knees are killing. Ah, shit. I don't know. 19 minutes, 13 seconds. Way past my 7-minute mark. Ooh. Whew. I can't get the screws in there with it. The seal on there, it ain't. It's definitely the way it's supposed to be. Just, it's different garbage disposal. It holds the gap too much, like, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
There's not enough gap to get the damn screw in there. So. Maybe it goes this way. What do you think?
Oh, yeah, it was a slide on.
Yeah,
It was a slide
it
on.
probably goes this way. I didn't pay attention when I took it off because my intentions were to replace it, but yeah, probably goes that way. That's probably what it is. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. We can move that around a little bit if we want. Yeah, that's better. Golly, dude. Never in my life. You know what? Another thing. As soon as if you ever fire up a camera, doesn't everything go wrong? I mean, everything goes wrong. Be like, how to light a barbecue grill? Boom! It's like, shit, didn't see that coming. Alright? It happens every time. You just sitting there with your hair halfway on fire going, oh shit. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be. Big screwdriver, we ain't gonna get no leaks, man. Tighten these down a little bit. Come on. You smelly shit. Come here. God almighty. That is some harsh shit. It just does not smell good at all. Alright, let's put on the other nasty shit. This is a stupid thing here. God. I feel like I've been infected by like the undead or something. Ow. That hurt. Come here. Okay, you do it 3 times, you're a dumbass. Alright. Almost did it. Not quite a dumbass yet. Come on. Well. Oh, you son. I hate these things, dude. Just put a fucking a screw compression clamp on it. Cause see, like, I know, I hate the radiator hoses.
Yeah.
God, I hate that crap, dude. There. Jesus. Well, I guess she's good to go. I mean, run some water for me. Let's see if this thing leaks.
Shoot out on you.
Yeah, shoot out on me. I'm already freaking biochemically. Is it filling up though? Or is it flushing that crap down the drain? So it's not backing up? It is?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. It didn't sound right. She's got a whole damn P-trap right here. Got a whole damn P-trap right now, full of that crap. Those freaking peanut shells and whatnot. So, son of a bitch.
You gonna use that bucket right here?
I can use a bucket right there. If that thing's probably drip dry now. Anyway, and maybe you can put that box here. You maybe just put in the box. That's why I always bring a box, man. What the hell? Just don't lift it up because it's not taped on the bottom. But
You want me to take the P-trap off? Let me do that.
I just give me a bucket. I'm sitting right here. I mean, could do it. If I can get the bucket in here, that's the problem. Oh, God damn it. And you know what? You can't plunge these. I'm going to show everybody. There's an air gap up here. See that thing right there?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Mr. R
Uh-huh.
has air gap.
Oh.
It'll just come right out of the top of that thing. You try to plunge it.
Water just come out of it?
Yep. It'll come right out of the top of that thing. Dude. That's...
You sure let me see if I can find
It'll be alright. I mean, we've already fucked everything up. This is just gonna take the cake, baby. See, this is why usually you use lower shit, but who knows how much water is gonna come out of this thing.
There you go.
Yeah, I just want it to back off. Back. Put nothing in there. I mean, maybe the P-trap's full. It felt heavy. Oh, that smells so good.
There's clouds in there too.
Oh, it smells so good.
Let me do this right here.
You know what? Go ahead and turn that water on a little bit. Well, that ain't gonna be clogged. It's brand new.
There you go. There it goes. There it goes.
You got water going now?
Yeah, water's spinning.
Oh, there's water still up there?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Holy crap. So it's clogged from here to here?
Yep.
Damn.
So you gotta take that part off too.
Oh, nice.
So let me go get no.
So there's no water in this thing?
No water that thing. Water this thing.
So the cross pipe is clogged.
Yeah.
We can scoop this
Want me to get another bucket? Come out of the
How much water is up there? Because I'm...
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to do it the other direction.
Okay.
So... There you go. That. Right there, guys. That is when you don't chop up fucking peanuts in your garbage disposal. Eggshells, ceramic, freaking turkey carcasses. Fuck you if you do this.
You want to use
It's
this?
just a...
You use this? Yeah.
Oh, dude. So bad. This is gonna come shooting the fuck out. Oh, listen to it. It's like a blow whistle. There you go. There you go. Oh my god, there's so nasty. Oh my god. Hey,
A little bit of water in there?
yeah, just straight water. Oh god, dude. Oh, that's so gnarly. Yeah, it's running clear. You're good. It's just wow. Just wow. There you go. Yeah, well, I won't be able to see that until I edit the video, but y'all get to see it. Ew. Oh god. You know what? Water spout to the second sink over there. Let's just make sure it didn't shove anything in this T-pipe right here.
Okay.
And just run some water. Yeah, it's going good. Alright, I think, yeah. I don't think we have a problem.
Do you put the clean this sink on?
I mean, huh?
Do you put the clean this sink?
You could, yeah, I would. Just so they know you've been here, but hold on. I need to make sure I can get this out of here, and the P-trap's in the bottom of this bucket. Put that damn rag over. P-trap, it never made it to the P-trap. That was, P-trap's clean. It's clean down there all the way through. It's a little dark, but I mean it's clean. This little jelly stuff right here. God, this is dirty plumbing right here. And this whole video I'm making right now is not gonna get monetized. I won't even get paid for it because it's offensive. It's offensive. Didn't you know that? Working on somebody's drain is offensive. Replacing a toilet's offensive. People don't want to see that. Oh God. I just want my toilet to work. But it's offensive when you do it. Yeah. Every one of my plumbing videos has got demonetized. Every freaking one of them. So, it's probably just another one. That'll do the same. So I'm here working my ass off, literally. And you go to YouTube and they got Nerf guns and little play houses and bouncy houses and shit for their programmers and employees and shit. Sitting here working my ass off and they're playing games. This has got to be the worst. This takes the cake. This takes the cake right here, bro. Takes the cake. This has been one of the worst garbage. You can go ahead and run the garbage disposal. Now we can check for leaks, I guess.
Okay.
I think I got everything tightened down. Yeah, I'm trying to clean up. Man, I don't know what the hell to do down here. I got a bomb in there. Let the shit blow up in my face. I'm out of here. back in business for another day until she decides to go to country fair and get some boiled peanuts, eat them, and then not decide to eat them and whatnot. And she'll shove them down the garbage disposal again, I'm pretty sure. So, well, me and Mr. R are gonna clean up this mess, and we're out of here. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a good one. Okay, guys, so we cleaned it all up. It's working. We cleaned off the pipes, put all her stuff back. We did have to destroy a couple things like that mat down there and a couple sponges that were in there, but it's all good. It's working. No leaks. Me and Mr. R are gonna get out of here. What you say, Mr. R?
Yep. Yeah.
You're supposed to say thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Thanks for liking and what up?
And commenting
Commenting
and subscribing. Come on, man. Get it together, man. Alright, guys. Yeah, have a good one. Take care. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. And Mr. R was with me today.